In Snoqualmie Pass,
How's it going?
you'll find the locals hanging out at Drew Brew, beating the cold with a cold one.
Ta-da!
And after a few beers,
I'll do a windy shot, 69.
Sounds good.
it's getting even colder.
Did you guys hear about the blizzard warning?
Customer Luis Rosales did.
My buddy called me and he just warned me about maybe we would lose power again and that there's supposed to be a big storm coming in.
This time of year, the man behind the bar says a rare blizzard warning is actually good for business.
Busy tonight. We have trivia going on tonight, and I think everyone's excited about the incoming snow, so there's more people out than there have been the last couple evenings for sure. Oh, so you had to drive all the way?
His crowd of locals is riding it out together, while those who don't live up in the mountains are told to stay off the roads.
Curious how it'll be different from, I guess, other storms that we've had up here in the past. We get plenty of exciting weather, so.
About 30,000 vehicles drive over the pass on an average day, and that number is higher now with Highway 2 shut down over Stevens Pass. And when rain turns to heavy snow, conditions are expected to be dangerous. When you factor in high winds, it will likely be a whiteout. The 6th blizzard warning in western Washington's history is coming right before Christmas.
Here you go, fellas.
As long as we get snow.
Oh, a white Christmas. Absolutely hoping for a white Christmas.
Locals are surely making the most of this rare blizzard warning, but if you don't live up here in the mountains, your best bet is to stay safe by staying off the roads. However, if you do have to drive over the passes, be sure to pack extra food, water, a blanket, and warm clothes in your car just in case. In Snoqualmie Pass, Madeline Carter, King 5 News.